In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best stepper machines on Amazon in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best stepper machines on Amazon. Number 1, Sunny Health and Fitness 2-in-1 Premium Power Stepper with Resistance Bands, 400 pounds capacity, adjustable height, Bluetooth Smart Monitor, Compact Low-Impact Stair Stepper for Home Gym, Sunny Fit App Compatible. Full Body 2-in-1 Training Step and Sculpt with built-in resistance bands for upper plus lower body workouts. Heavy Duty 400 pounds weight capacity Reinforced steel frame for superior stability and durability, adjustable step height. Dial up or down the intensity to match your fitness level. Low impact cardio, burn calories and build endurance without stressing joints. Bluetooth plus Sunny Fit App track steps, time, calories and sync workouts seamlessly. Compact, space-saving design perfect for apartments, home gyms, or office use. Quiet hydraulic drive system, smooth, whisper quiet stepping any time of day. Non-slip foot pedals, secure grip for safe, confident workouts. Bring the gym home with the Sunny Health and Fitness 2-in-1 Premium Power Stepper, a powerful, space-saving cardio machine built for real results. Designed for full-body training, this stepper combines classic stair stepping with integrated resistance bands, so you can strengthen your legs while toning your arms, shoulders, and core. Engineered with a heavy-duty frame supporting up to 400 pounds, it delivers rock-solid stability for users of all sizes. The adjustable step height lets you customize every session, from quick calorie-burning workouts to deeper, muscle-engaging strides. Stay on top of your fitness goals with the Bluetooth Smart Monitor, which tracks your stats in real time and syncs with the Sunny Fit app for guided workouts and progress tracking. The low-impact motion makes it ideal for protecting knees and joints while still delivering an effective cardio burn. Compact enough for any space and equipped with a quiet hydraulic system, this stepper is perfect for apartments, home gyms, or even working out while watching TV. Simple, powerful, effective. Your go-to solution for at-home cardio and toning. Number 2, Sunny Health and Fitness Total Body 2-in-1 Smart Stepper Machine for Home with handlebar and resistance bands, 330 pounds capacity, adjustable hydraulic resistance, LCD monitor, non-slip pedals, compact full-body cardio trainer. 2-in-1 total body workout combines stepping cardio with upper body training using integrated resistance bands. Handlebar for added stability provides balance, safety, and confidence during workouts, great for beginners and seniors. 330 lb heavy-duty capacity durable steel frame ensures long-lasting strength and reliability. Adjustable hydraulic resistance easily control workout intensity for cardio or muscle toning. LCD performance monitor tracks steps, time, calories burned, and keeps you motivated. Low-impact motion protects joints while improving endurance and overall fitness. Non-slip pedals, textured footplates for secure and stable footing. Compact and space-saving design perfect for apartments, home gyms, or limited spaces. Quiet and smooth operation hydraulic system delivers consistent, low-noise performance. Get a complete, low-impact workout at home with the Sunny Health and Fitness Total Body 2-in-1 Smart Stepper Machine. Designed for convenience and performance, this stepper combines cardio and strength training into one compact machine, perfect for users of all fitness levels. The built-in handlebar provides extra stability and balance, making it ideal for beginners, seniors, or anyone looking for safer workouts. With integrated resistance bands, you can engage your arms, shoulders, chest, and back while stepping, turning every session into a full-body routine. Engineered with a durable 330 pounds capacity frame, this machine delivers reliable support and long-lasting use. The adjustable hydraulic resistance allows you to easily control workout intensity, from light cardio sessions to more challenging muscle toning exercises. Track your progress in real time with the LCD monitor, which displays steps, time, and calories burned. The non-slip pedals ensure secure footing, while the compact design makes it easy to fit into any home, apartment, or small workout space. Safe, stable, and effective, your all-in-one solution for total body fitness at home. Number 3, Sunny Health and Fitness Mini Stepper for Home Exercise, Stair Step Workout Machine. Optional resistance bands, compact full-body cardio equipment, optional Sunny Fit App Smart Connection. Compact full-body workout step and tone muscles with optional resistance bands for upper plus lower body training. Low-impact cardio exercise, burn calories and improve endurance while being gentle on joints. Optional Sunny Fit App Connection, sync your workouts for tracking, guidance, and progress. Monitoring. Space-saving design, lightweight and compact, perfect for small spaces and easy storage. Smooth hydraulic resistance, quiet, stable stepping motion for comfortable daily workouts. Digital monitor display tracks steps, time, and calories burned in real time. Non-slip foot pedals provide secure footing for safe exercise sessions. Ready to use, no complicated setup required. Start stepping right away, stay active and fit from the comfort of your home with the Sunny Health and Fitness Mini Stepper, a compact and efficient cardio machine designed for full body workouts. Whether you're short on space or time, this stepper delivers powerful. Number 4. Stamina Products Folding Stepper with Monitor. Compact home stair stepper machine with adjustable hydraulic resistance, LCD fitness monitor, foam handlebars and non-slip pedals. Low impact cardio workout provides a smooth stepping motion that strengthens calves, thighs, hips, and glutes while improving cardiovascular fitness. Adjustable hydraulic resistance. Dual hydraulic cylinders let you control intensity for lighter or more challenging sessions. Electronic monitor tracks steps per minute, total steps, workout time, and calories burned to help you monitor progress. Foam padded handlebars. Comfortable grips add balance and stability during workouts. Non-slip textured pedals. Secure footing keeps you safe and confident throughout your workout. Foldable and portable, folds flat with a pull pin and rolls easily for storage in closets or under beds. Durable steel frame, heavy-duty construction built to hold up to roughly 250 pounds. Get a solid cardio and toning workout right at home with the Stamina Products Folding Stepper with Monitor. This compact stair stepper machine is designed to deliver an effective, low-impact exercise that helps strengthen your lower body, calves, thighs, hips, and glutes while improving overall endurance. Featuring adjustable hydraulic resistance, the stepper lets you customize your routine from easy to more challenging stepping to match your fitness level. The battery-powered electronic monitor displays key workout stats like steps per minute, total steps taken, workout duration. Number 5. Niceday Stepper for Exercise. Stair stepper with resistance bands, mini stepper with 300 pounds capacity, hydraulic fitness stepper with LCD monitor, compact home cardio machine. Full body workout with resistance bands. Engage legs and upper body simultaneously for more effective calorie burn. 300 pounds heavy duty capacity. Durable steel frame supports up to 300 pounds with stability and strength. Or low impact cardio. LCD digital monitor tracks time, steps, and calories burned to help you stay motivated. Compact and space-saving, perfect for apartments, home gyms, offices, and small spaces. Quiet operation. Hydraulic design minimizes noise for distraction-free workouts. Non-slip foot pedals. Textured pedals ensure secure, confident footing. Get an effective, low-impact cardio workout from the comfort of your home with the Niceday Stepper for Exercise. This compact stair stepper combines smooth hydraulic resistance with removable resistance bands to deliver a full-body fitness experience that targets legs, glutes, core, and upper body muscles. Built with a sturdy frame supporting up to 300 pounds, this mini stepper offers reliable stability for users of varying fitness levels.